Hi traders, welcome. So today is 12th of June 2020. This is a second trade for US session. Day trading mini S&P futures 500 for September contract 2020. So in this video I will show you how I do the trading for S&P market index. And based from the current situation, market is extremely volatile. So every candle has a big move, or every candle has a big ticks or points, which is the risk is a bit higher. So for today, we trade with a smaller size only, and the first trade already hit the TP earlier over here, so 9 points, and so the second one is over here. So we target to take profit at 29.81. So this is the entry we are expected to send to be triggered, and targeted profit price should be 29.81.75. So this is based from my live Telegram channel. You can get the link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. So as you can see, this is about 12 points, but it's extremely small because the candle all is big, even though with a smaller time frame 5 minutes. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will hit the entry and go for to the south. Alright, we pause this video, and once the order failed, then we resume again. Okay, seems very volatile. So the volume is about 1 million for June contract. For September contract, almost 1 million. I think by now should be arrived. Should be reached by 1 million. So let's wait. So the profit target should be 2 ticks. Sorry, 2 contract size. I'm trading micro only. So this is the entry we expected. So based from the current situation, we are still waiting down here, the purple line, and hope to reach this green line. So 2 points. Alright guys, we pause for a while and resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So based from the current situation, let's focus on the top chart here, which is belongs to mini S&P. So we have another signal. So based from my live Telegram channel, we are going to go long at 3044.50. Expected about 14 points profit target. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, let's go back to the chart. This is here. We are going to long on the market, the blue can line. So target TP at 58, 14 points. So market price now is 30.40.00. So looks interesting. If the price break to the higher side, then we have a high tendency to go very long. Good breakout on the higher side after the reversal. Slightly bearish from the beginning of US session. Possible pullback, but at this moment seems like market try to make a new high. Let's wait on this one. So let's wait patiently. Hopefully you can see the chart because it's a bit crowded, because I'm opening as well for RTY, Russell 2000. So time now based on Chicago time is 11:21 a.m. New York time is 12:21 noon time. Some of you might having a good lunch now. From my side it's midnight. I'm 12 hours ahead. Alright, so price now is 30.37. We are waiting at 30.44. It's not far, about 7 points, which is easily for S&P market to reach that kind of price movement. So we still have to wait. Also both market is quite volatile, and there is a big move for each candle, so need to be really careful, because market might easily change direction, and there will be a big losses. So can only trade with a small trading size. Okay, I will pause for a while. Once I got filled, then resume later on. So just focus on the chart on the higher side. Alright, traders, resume back again. So seems like our order has been filled, so I have two short seller position, which is at based from my live telegram channel, to short sell the market. The first one, I mean the first one after we profit. Then this is the second signal for today. Got two options, and the first one on the short sell 293.5 already been triggered, and target profit should be around 12 points below. Right, this one we are on the minus 45. I'm trading micro mini S&P. Still have to wait. Market seems quite volatile, so we are 4 points above. Okay, looks good. Minus 20. Hopefully you can see the PNL here. It's not really bright enough, but it's clear for you guys to see it. So the above chart is the mini S&P. The second chart is Russell 2000 as well. I'm also trading Russell. Okay, we are break even in the positive territory now. Target profit is 12 points below, which is at this green line. We have predefined it a few hours before we end before this entry. So hope market will go nicely to the higher side. Okay, looks good. Plus 20. We are in the positive territory, so the lowest for today is 29.90. So price might go further down. I think I will cancel for Russell. Okay, let for mini S&P remain, so I can enlarge, combine this one and go for, yeah, looks good. Looks good. Okay, profit 47.45, and now add 7 points already, 8 points. 8 points, 6 points below in the profit, so looks nice. Hopefully the market will go further down. Looks nice. I think I will exit first. Stand by to go flat. I will not hold longer. Hopefully break this 87. Hopefully. For now, retrace back. I should. Okay, should we wait? Okay, now price 65, 62. Okay, I'm get ready to go flat. No need to wait until 12 points. Why is it hard for me to exit? Damn it. 86, which is enter at 93, 7 points below already. I should close one, actually, the best. Now reverse back. Okay. We missed it, so let's be patient. Okay guys, looks good so far. It's still positive, back to positive side. Now price drop to 88. Why come back up? I want to close this position. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. I will close one position. Close one first. Yeah, 62 US dollar. 60, 57, 60. Ready to buy one first at this one. Okay. I think we already. Yeah, I think we buy one. Okay, still two, but not a good one. Oh, price come up. So I already closed one position, which I short sell at 93. I'm closing at 87, which is about 6 to 7 points. So now price move back further down. I have Q exit at the exactly 12 points below, which is at 81. Lowest today is 85. Wow, this market is very bit tough. Whoa, 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 looks good, looks good, looks good. Shit, I don't want to miss it. Almost hit, almost hit, almost hit. We almost hit. 81, 83, I think should be enough. Yeah. Okay, guys. Ooh, 81.75 is the lowest. That's our TP is 50. Sorry, 58. Sorry, this one 81.75. Yep, we hit. Okay, so I should send out the signal. We hit profit target area. So let's go back to the chart. The price dropped even furthermore. So it was a good trade today. It's a small profit, but it's okay. 226 US dollar for S&P. As for Russell, I didn't send out the signal, but for mini S&P as well. Only for mini S&P, well, it was a good day. So that's all for today. There's a lot of link in the description. Feel free to click on it, and have a nice weekend. See you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.